Hi everyone, welcome to the Homemaking Exchange. My name is Diana, and in this video I'll be sharing a recipe for Chipotle black bean burgers. This is a really easy recipe, it's a quick dinner idea, and it's also a lighter option if you're looking for a meatless meal. I will leave all the information about the recipe in the description box so you can find all the details there. I also really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you so much for coming by. Here is the recipe. Start off by making 2 flax eggs. Do that by combining ground flaxseed and water. You're just going to stir those together and then set them to the side for at least 5 minutes to thicken up. To a large mixing bowl, you're going to add 1 can of rinsed and drained black beans. Add some diced chipotle peppers. Add minced garlic, cumin, onion powder, salt, and black pepper, and then mash those together with a potato masher. You want to pretty much get it smooth. You'll still have a little bit of texture from the black beans, but keep on mashing until you get it to a nice paste that looks like this. Add the other can of rinsed and drained black beans. Add frozen corn kernels, salsa, Italian breadcrumbs, crush up some saltine crackers. You don't have to make them too small, but crush them up like this. Add the crushed saltines to the bowl. Grab your flax eggs that you made earlier. They should be about the consistency of a regular egg. Add that to the bowl and mix everything together. The mixture will be thick and it should be able to hold together. When you pick it up with a spoon, you'll see that you will be able to shape this into a burger patty. I'm not making it right this minute, so what I like to do is just kind of smooth everything together, press it down so that all the flavors come together. I'm wrapping the bowl with plastic wrap and just sticking that in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. You can go ahead and make them right away if you want to. Once you are ready to make them, heat your griddle to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit and add a little bit of olive oil, spread that around. Shape your mixture into burgers. Make sure that you make them the size that you want them to be when they're finished because they're really not going to change size while they're cooking. I recommend not making it too thick because the texture is softer than like a beef or a turkey burger. So you don't want it to be too mushy. And make sure to really smooth the bean paste all around to fill in any holes and gaps in the burger. I like to kind of tuck the edges in and then smooth it from the edges in towards the middle. This really helps the burgers not to fall apart while they are cooking. Place it on the griddle, flatten the burger out and smooth the other side. Continue making your patties until you have as many as you want to cook. And then cook them on the griddle for 5 to 7 minutes on the first side before flipping. Flip them, cook them for another 5 to 7 minutes. And they should be nice and golden brown. Any loose pieces of corn or beans that fall out when you flip them, you can just tuck them back in. What I like to do to make them even crunchier, which really helps the texture, is once they've cooked on both sides, I like to cook them again for about 5 more minutes on each side. So in total, it's going to be about 12 minutes of cooking time for each side of the patty. In the end, they should kind of look like a beef patty will look, about the same color as that. You may have to add more olive oil if they are starting to brown too fast or stick a little bit. So just keep an eye on them as you cook them. Once they're done, go ahead and place them on your bun. I like to add mayonnaise to my bun, put some ketchup on the top, mustard, pickles, tomato. Avocado's really good on these. And some lettuce or some spinach on the top. These burgers are full of flavor. We do not even miss the meat when we eat these. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching.